அன்பு தமிழ் நெஞ்சங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ மூலம் சந்திப்பதில் மிகப்பெரிய சந்தோஷம் மற்றும் என் இனிய நல் வாழ்த்துக்கள். எல்லோரும் இந்த சேனலில் இணைந்திருப்போம். நல்லதை மட்டும் பகிர்ந்து நல்ல ஒரு சமுதாயத்தை உருவாக்குவோம். கடைசியா இந்த சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. வாங்க இன்றைய வீடியோவை போய் பார்ப்போமா?
Good day to you all. Weekend is coming on the way. So hope you all stress free and happy moments. Last week, the same time we have seen Sardaji jokes part 1. If you never see that, please watch that part 1, then comes to part 2. That's for the introduction. This video, the purpose is only for laughing, not to hurt Sardaji. Today also we are going to see 5 jokes. Number 1 joke. Sardaji and his friend, they are lived nearby. They know that horse race makes more money. So they plan to buy the horses to give the training. After that, they want to send for the race to make jackpot money. So each Sardaji bought one horse. So Sardaji 1, Sardaji 2. Both also they bought each one horses. Sardaji asked his friend, okay, we bought both also same. How we can identify the horse? This is belongs to us. Then the Sardaji 2 say, yes, you are right. Then the Sardaji 2 say, I cut my horse tail. So, without the horse tail belongs to me. So, with horse tail belongs to you. Wow, very good suggestion. Yes, we can do that. But you know, both Sardaji have a small kids. The kids are so naughty and funny. So, once the Sardaji 2 cut the tail of the horse, they go home. Their kids compare both. How come my one don't have the tail? How come his horse have a tail? They cut the tail also. So the next day, the both Sardaji came and visit the horse. They found both also no tail. They are so sad. What we can do to make the difference? Then this Sardaji say, okay, I will cut my horse ear. He said, very good. Same thing he cut. They make the difference. But what happened? The same day night, their kids go and cut the next horse ear also. So the next day, Sardaji have seen shocked. Who has done all these things? Now identically same, both also same. So they cut the nose. Same thing happened. The next day, one eye take out. The same thing, the next horse, the eye also they take out. They are by the kids. Now remaining the horse holding its life and 4 legs only. So bad. Then the Sardaji say, I have an idea. Then Sardaji 2 say, what is your idea? Okay, the brown color horse belongs to me. White color horse belongs to you. Wow, good suggestion. Okay, we will do that. Why we say Sardaji jokes? You see, initially they bought the time also brown color horse and white color horse. So the first day they can be made a difference, white color horse and the brown color horse. The way they can make the difference. But they go and cut tail, all these things. Finally they found, based on the color, we can differentiate. That's called Sardaji jokes. Okay, I'm going to sharing the second joke. Sardaji is working as a trainer in the army. So he gave the training a lot of officers. One of the officer, every day he come to the training by his own helicopter. The next day training is 10 a.m. The officer came 10:30. So Sardarji was so frustrated. Why you come delay? He's asking. Then the officer said that it's very difficult to take off and you come back. Very difficult. That's why it makes more delay when I came from the helicopter. Sardarji won't accept. No, this is very easy. Take off, very easy. You know how to drive the helicopter? He said, no, don't know, but I can learn, no problem. Then the officer said, very difficult. Once you know how to drive, then only what I'm saying you understand. Sardarji won't accept. Okay, next week, the same time, I will drive your helicopter. Okay, challenge. Then the officer said, okay, but all knows Sardarji cannot make it. Sardarji, from the day onwards, he is taking some training, how to take off, how to come back, how to move, everything he learned. The next week, the same time, the officer arrived the helicopter. Then Sardarji said, okay, move. Now I'm going to sit. I'm going to be slow take off. You will see. Okay. Then the Sardarji sit. Start. Show the people thumbs up. All observe. The helicopter is moving. Slowly take off. All amazing. Wow. 5 feet above from the ground. He shows, hey, like that. And everybody, wow. Then 10 feet go up. Then Sardarji, hey, like that. Then everybody, amazing, amazing, wow. Then he move, fly away, 20 feet. Then he say, wow, everybody wow, clap. Vijay Sardarji, very good la, very clever la. Suddenly, the helicopter fell down. Sardarji was injured. Then immediately the ambulance came. They bring to the hospital. Then the all officers went to the hospital asking Sardarji, what was happened? You are slowly take off, go 5 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, you are say bye bye. Suddenly what happened? Sardarji replied, when I was sick, very good. Take off, very good. 5 feet, I feel very cool. 10 feet, so much of air, circulation, my hair all very, so I feel very good. Fantastic. 20 feet, I feel so nice of air environment, very cool. Then I thought, why the fan is unnecessary running? So much of cool air, everything have. So I switch off the fan only. After that, I don't know what was happened. I'm here. You know, right? That's called Sardarji. Third joke. Sardarji was at home. He closed his eyes in front of the mirror. His wife was working nearby. She passed by here and there. She was noticed Sardarji closed eyes in front of the mirror. She really don't understand why Sardarji closed his eyes in front of the mirror. Then he touched the Sardarji. What is going on? What you are doing? Then Sardarji simply laughed and said that, when I sleep, I don't know how looks my face. Is it I'm look nice, beautiful, or looks ugly? I don't know. That's why I want to see myself, how I look. That's why in front of the mirror, I close eyes to observe. That's called Sadaji. Fourth joke. Sadaji was studying medical college. So that day, the medical college having a experimental. They will give one cockroach. You need to cut one by one the legs, whether it's move or not. You need to write the conclusion. If you remove all the legs, what would happen? You need to write the conclusion of this experiment. So everybody get one cockroach. They start to cut the legs of the cockroaches. Same thing, Sadaji also was received one cockroach with a blade. Then Sadaji cut one leg. Then he give the instruction to the cockroach. Chalo, chalo. Chalo means go, go, go. Then the cockroach move. Then Sadaji was so happy. Second leg cut. Chalo, chalo. The same thing. Cockroaches is move. Third leg cut. Chalo, chalo. The cockroaches move. Now Sadaji cut all the legs. Now he said that chalo, chalo. Cockroach never move. The same thing happened to other students also. So they write the conclusion. Once we cut all the legs of the cockroaches, the cockroach cannot move. This is the conclusion. But Sadaji, you know Sadaji, right? He write the conclusion. If I cut one leg, I say chalo, it move, can hear. But if you cut all the legs, the cockroach become deaf. So I say chalo, he cannot move. The way he write the good conclusion report. Now I am going to share the last joke. Sadaji was very busy to remove his auto tires. You know, in Thailand they call tuk-tuk. In India they call auto. It means 2 tires behind, 1 tire in front. Totally 3 tires only. So Sadaji drive the auto. He parked at the car park and he tried to remove the front tire. His friend passed by. Sadaji, what are you doing? I removed the tire. Can you see? Then the friend asking, yes, yes, yes. Why? Want to replace? Is it puncture? Tire puncture? Something happened? No, no, everything okay. Then why you want to remove? Then the Sadaji replied, why I remove? You see the board, what it says? What it says? You see, 2-wheeler parking only. See the board? 2-wheeler parking only. My one's 3-wheeler. That's why I remove 1 tire. So become 2-wheeler only. I can park this slab in the car park. He smiled. That's called Sadaji. Hope you all laughed for the 5 jokes. I know you all like it. It will go by part, few more series in the weekends to let you all to make more happy. See you bye in my next part 3.